Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some taxi footage of the DC-3. I intended on doing the Maiden flight today, but after taxiing around and doing some checks, I came across a problem with the #1 engine. So I have to go back and order some parts and do some repair on that. So I'll just show you that footage here. So this is when I really start to notice the #1 engine having an issue. It's just not spooling up correctly. The one on the right side, the #2 engine's spooling up just fine, working normally. So when I go ahead and add power to it, it just wants to pull to the left because of the asymmetric thrust from the #2 engine. And you can see in some of the taxi videos where I'm trying to just taxi it straight, and I have to use full deflection on the rudder to keep it going straight. So I obviously don't want to do the maiden flight with that issue. So here I just ordered a replacement motor for the #1 engine there. Let's just remove the wing and unbolt it and disconnect it, replace it, and then just do a quick run up. So after replacing the motor and doing a quick run up in the house, brought it out to a field and just taxi around a little bit, make sure everything's working correctly, make sure it's ready to fly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for being patient with me, just making sure everything's right. This is my first build, so pretty nervous to fly this one, so just making sure everything's correct before I do the maiden flight.